Welcome back to Josh of Many Things. My name is Josh and I like many things. My birthday was a couple weeks ago and my wife ordered me something from the UK and it just got here, so let's crack it open and see what I got. Okay, so here we go. It is from Tom's Studio in the United Kingdoms, and it is a pretty large box. Let's open this thing up, see what we got. I'm excited. There we go. Okay. There we have, ooh, look at that. Send us some tea. Pause and read that if you can. It's a nice card, I like that. All right, here we go. We've got the main thing. There's packaging material on there, so there's a sticker with the name of the studio, Tom Studio. Oh, look at that box, that's nice. Tom Studio, extraordinary creative tools. All right, and I think, yep, now I'm just making a mess. So let's wrap this up. Also, the puppy has found something to play with. All right, so let's go. Open this up, and we've got a it's a bottle of ink, classic. It's a deep red, a delicious deep red. Interesting. Okay, and then we've got this. We've got another sticker back here. Try not to destroy it. There we go. This is the Lumos Pen, it looks like. It's got information here. Yeah, it says the art of creating is more important than the final result. And I believe that's so true. And then we've also got a notebook here. Coffee notes. Made from 40% post-consumer waste recycled, 15% organic almond residue, 45% FSC fiber. So that's nice. Let's test out the pen on this, see how it works. Let's get to the pen itself. So this pops open, and we've got a little thing of ink here. And then here is the pen itself. Does this come out? Yeah, it does. Okay. So here's the pen. Oh, that feels good. Interesting. And then inside of this, we've got a tree. Ah, there she is. It was there, and if we wanted to, this can go on this. Looks like. And this is interchangeable. Oh, look at that. So you just put this in. Screw that in, just like that. There you go. I say that writes pretty well. So this is awesome. Feels pretty smooth. The paper on this has a real smooth texture too. It almost feels like you're writing with a felt tip pen, which is pretty nice. I really wanted one of these because I don't have a fine liner, and I feel like this would make a really good fine liner. So let me let's see. It's been a couple seconds. Oh yeah, look at that. Doesn't smear. Let's see if I just do a quick doodle. Like that. There you go, and then there you go. Look at that. It dries extremely quick. That's nice. I like that. There you guys go. You guys see my 5-second doodle. Kind of my go-to doodle whenever I'm testing stuff out. But there we have it. So this is again the Lumos Pen, and I'd have to say I am quite impressed. I'm very happy with this. So thank you to my lovely wife for getting this for me. There we go. That would be for the thumbnail.